Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is John again from Volkswagen Planet, and today we are going to do the first of hopefully many giveaways. That's right, I'm going to give away my YouTube money like I talked about in the previous videos, and I'm going to show you how to get involved real quick, real easy, and real simple. So this month we're going to give away $25 to Wolfsburg West. For those of you who have followed the channel for a long time, you know I've given away probably half a dozen gift certificates already. So I decided 25 bucks, Wolfsburg West, and all you got to do is comment below, make sure you're subscribed, and tell me what you guys are going to spend your money on. Now, all I'm going to do to verify that you were subscribed, I'm going to go to your channel. I'm going to click on your channels, not your channels, I'm sorry. You're going to click on, all right, yeah, I'm going to click on your channel. I'm going to scroll down. I'm just going to make sure that I'm on your subscription section, real plain and simple. I'm going to scroll down and show you guys who is on my current subscriptions. Now, if you don't see your icon on here, your channel listed, all you got to do is, again, comment below and tell me that you're not on there for whatever reason. Every once in a while, you do get bumped off. I don't know why, but I guess that's part of the YouTube algorithm. But that's neither here nor there. And the reason I'm showing you all these channels is these guys are most of these guys are the smaller channels of our community. But I'm going to start giving you guys a shout out. So hopefully at the end of every video, I'll remember to take one video at a time. So basically highlight you guys. If you guys can get a couple more subs out of it, that's all that it's intended to do. So again, if you guys don't see your channel on here, comment below. Be more than happy to add you. I'm always looking for new content. And like I said, I'll probably watch one of the most viewed or most viewers on a daily basis. I'm probably up to about 5 to 7 hours a day. So I try to watch all your videos. I watch all your videos, but I try to comment afterwards and everything else. So if you see me commenting, you know I'm watching. If you don't see me commenting, send me a message about, hey, check my video out, and be more than happy to do it. Some of these guys I've actually met. Great channels, check them out. A lot of these guys are, I would say, local to here in Florida, but a lot of these guys also have done a lot for the community, so that's why I watch them, the bigger channels. I'm sure most of these you've already subscribed to. So really, that's it, guys. Just to show you, I'm even watching VW Darren right now. And like I said, it's almost 8 o'clock at night. So, like I said, I'll probably watch, I said, at least 5 hours, probably up to 7 hours a day. I'm up to like 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning watching your videos. So again, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down. If you want to get into the contest, leave a comment below. And all I got to do is verify your subscription on your page, which I'm sure I'm already sitting there anyways. I'll respond back to you with a comment about, hey, you're on, you're good, whatever. And let's try to end this contest. Let's say by the first of the month. First of the month, December 1st at midnight. Let's close this off. Get this gift certificate out to you real quick, so you can buy a couple things for your VW. And because I know this time of the year we think about other things versus, you know, our beloved little cars. So it's something not very much. Maybe next month might be bigger. Maybe next month might be something else. So if you think this is great, leave a comment below. The comments are the most important thing to a channel. It's not the views. I mean, the views help once in a while, but it's not the subscriber count, because you can have 10,000 subscribers. If you only have 2 comments, you know, you're just dead in the water. So comments are very, very important. And to me, it's the most important thing because it tells me, it's communicating with you guys. Some of you guys I'll never ever meet in my life, but I feel like you guys are friends. So again, comment below. I appreciate all your help, your continued support, and let's see what we can do. Maybe next month we can double that, maybe triple it, maybe even no. $100 giveaway. It's not out of the question. So take care, guys. Stay warm, and God bless.